Are you a Canadian trying to save for your child's education and your first home and feeling overwhelmed by the tax rules? Exploding head. You're not alone. Many Canadians are trying to balance saving in a registered education savings plan, or RESP, with the brand new First Home Savings Account, the FHSA. Both accounts offer incredible tax advantages, but using them strategically is key to maximizing your benefits. Today, we're diving into smart, simple strategies for using both your RESP and FHSA with Wealthsimple's intuitive platform. RESP, getting that government match. First, let's look at the RESP. The big win here is the Canada Education Savings Grant, or CESG. The government typically matches 20% of your contributions, up to a maximum of $500 per year and $7,200 lifetime per child. This is essentially free money for your child's future schooling. Wealthsimple RESP strategy. The core strategy for the RESP is to prioritize the grant. Max the grant first, aim to contribute $2,500 per child, per year. This is the sweet spot to unlock the full $500 annual government match. Use auto deposits. Set up recurring deposits in your Wealthsimple account to automatically move that $2,500 a year, or about $208 per month, right into your RESP. This ensures you never miss out on the government grant, and it's completely hassle-free. Remember, your contributions are not tax-deductible, but all the investment growth and the grants are tax-sheltered until withdrawal. FHSA, the ultimate first home account. Now, onto the FHSA. This account is a financial game-changer because it gives you a double tax benefit. Contributions are tax-deductible like an RRSP, and qualifying withdrawals for a first home are tax-free like a TFSA. You can contribute up to $8,000 per year, to a lifetime maximum of $40,000. Wealthsimple FHSA strategy. The strategy for the FHSA depends on your current income and home buying timeline. For high earners, if you're in a high tax bracket, maximize your $8,000 annual contribution limit first. The tax deduction will reduce your taxable income, giving you an immediate, large refund. You can invest these funds in a growth portfolio on Wealthsimple since your home purchase may be several years away. For lower earners or shorter timeline, if you're in a lower tax bracket or plan to buy soon, prioritize the RESP grant first, then contribute to your FHSA. Since the timeline is shorter, you might opt for a more conservative portfolio on Wealthsimple to protect your capital. The combined strategy, stacking your goals. So, how do you manage both? It's all about contribution priority. Priority number 1, RESP to get the CESG. Get the free 20% match by contributing your $2,500. Priority number 2, FHSA to get the tax deduction. Once the RESP grant is secured, shift focus to your $8,000 FHSA deduction, especially if you're in a high tax bracket. This lowers your current year tax bill. If you still have savings, you can then contribute any extra funds to your TFSA or RRSP, depending on your long-term goals. Wealthsimple makes this all easy with the ability to see all your